Hey everyone, Gabriel here from Sky Scaling. Hope everyone is doing as amazing as I am. Today's Monday, January 19th, and this video is also going to be another client results video where Victor, one of our new clients, Victor has been working with us for 7 weeks from Alberta. This campaign is also running in Alberta specifically for recruiting. And today I will showcase how Victor was able to get 17 recruits in 7 weeks, which is amazing results. So here we have Victor Connell's testimonial on our Google page. Sky Scaling is the best lead gen in the industry. I have used their services for 7 weeks and have recruited 17 top people on my team. Best customer service. Now, let's actually start off by going over the ad metrics. Okay. So this is exactly, these are the exact metrics for Victor's recruiting marketing campaign that we've been running for just about 7 weeks. So far, we spent $1,393 on this campaign. We have a click-through rate all of 3.33%, which if you know anything about marketing, this is very solid. We have a link click-through rate of 1.96%. So this tells us that the actual ad itself is working well. It's getting people's attention and it's getting people to click on the ad. And then when they click on the ad, they have to go through a qualification process, which I will actually show the exact landing page we're using in a few minutes as well. Total number of leads generated, 64, for a cost per lead of $21.78 with 38 appointments. So over 50% booking ratio. Cost per appointment of $36.68. Very solid. All right, let's just zoom out of this a bit. So again, total spent just about $1,400. 64 leads, cost per lead $21.78, 38 appointments. 17 recruits for a cost per recruit of $81.99. So this is a 26.5 conversion ratio, which means if you divide 17 by 64 leads, Victor is almost recruiting 1 out of 4 prospects, which again, if you know anything about online business, 26.5% conversion ratio is phenomenal. It's through the roof. Typical conversion ratio is around 10%, 15%, 26.5%. Really amazing work. So now, how are we getting those prospects from Facebook or Instagram into Victor's calendar and obviously becoming a potential recruit? So this is the exact process that we use. If you have watched any of my older videos, you will notice I've been using and showcasing this exact picture for years now. Why? Because our process is always getting better, but the structure itself is not changing. Okay, because we're just we're not revamping something that's already working. We always improve the steps and make the whole process better, but we're not adding or reducing. When you have good marketing, good ads, and a great system, things just come together super well. So the first step is the advertisement, the actual ads themselves. So for all of our clients, we run their own marketing. In some cases, we have our clients who want to do their own ads. So we do offer the possibility to send you the scripts and help you record the actual ads themselves, and we can then edit those videos. In Victor's case, we're using our own internal material. So we run the ads on your behalf. When someone clicks on the ad, they have to go through a qualification process. So let me actually show you guys the exact qualification process that we are using for Victor right now. So this is Victor's exact counter page. So little known financial opportunity, helping Canadians earn part-time. We have a quick video that people can watch that explains a bit more about the opportunity, the business, and just kind of gets people a bit more intrigued in what the opportunity actually is about. So people will watch this quick video and then go through a qualification process. So verify your eligibility below. They have to put in their personal info. What best describes your current situation? I'm employed, I am self-employed, stay-at-home parent, or unemployed. Okay, so 1 out of 4 options they can choose from. What motivates you the most to explore this opportunity? More freedom and flexibility with my schedule, ability to help families with their finances, building a long-term business, or I am just curious for now. So again, 4 options you can choose from. Have you ever taken steps towards building something of your own? Yes, I've built or managed a business before. Not yet, but I'm ready to learn. Or no, I prefer working for someone else. If the answer prefer working for someone else, your prospect actually gets disqualified. Right? We'll help you get licensed. You can earn legally and professionally. Are you open to completing licensing with full support? Yes or no? They have to say yes. If the answer no, they will also get disqualified. And what happens if someone does get disqualified? It literally, when you submit the form, it will literally just say, sorry, well, thank you for submitting your information. That doesn't sound like would be a best fit at this point in time. Sorry. So literally process ends there. All right. Where were we? Here. Do you have access to a laptop or desktop for remote work? Our top earners love that there's no income cap. Are you open to commission-based pay instead of a fixed salary? They have to say yes. If the answer no, they also get disqualified. And are you currently on a student visa or international exchange? No or yes. They also have to say no. The answer yes, they'll get disqualified. So if they answer any of these questions, they get disqualified. Even if they have everything right, they only have one wrong. So, $21 per lead that I showed you for Victor's metrics, that's considering someone literally watches this video, or, we hope they watch it. In most cases, they do. When you get on the call, you can ask them. But that also means answering all the right questions in here. Okay. So obviously we cannot, the questions can only qualify the prospect so much, but we literally make sure the prospect can actually be a fit for the opportunity. So it's impossible, unless maybe they have, criminal background or something else, but it's almost impossible for the prospect not to potentially be a fit. So all you have to do once you get on the call with the prospect is literally just sell the opportunity. That's all it is. Right. So how this opportunity could benefit you, how you can get started, and then obviously, the quiz itself, the form. Now, once your prospect successfully goes through this form, they then get redirected to your calendar page. So this is Victor's calendar page. Congratulations, you qualify for our remote opportunity designed for Alberta residents. Schedule a quick call so you have all the key details you need to get started easily. There is no obligation, but at least you will have everything required to make an informed decision. Schedule your no obligation call to get more info. Your onboarding guide, Victor Connell, Alberta, Canada, your headshot. So obviously, so this would be your information. And then your calendar where people can go ahead and schedule a call directly in your calendar, obviously. Okay. Literally that simple of a process. If we go back to this, so you just saw the qualification process. Some people can get disqualified. When they do qualify, they get redirected to that booking page I just showed you, where your prospect can then go ahead and schedule a call. If your prospect schedules a meeting, they'll get a confirmation message, reminders, and everything they need to show up prepared for the meeting. Now, if your prospect decides not to book a meeting within a few minutes, they would receive a text message from your AI assistant. So by working with SkySkilling, you get your own AI assistant that will reach out automatically to all of your prospects that don't book within a 4-minute window. Try to engage in a conversation and get more bookings that way, which leaves us with the last option is manually setting the calls. So you have all their info. You can call them yourself and try to book them in for a conversation manually on the phone. We have appointment setting scripts that are top notch here at SkyScaling that we can provide you guys, so you can call leads and book more meetings. Okay, so 3 options, and then you have the actual call itself, which we even have pitch decks. We have scripts you can use for the actual meeting itself. So this is how the process works. Very simple process, very efficient process. And this is also exactly how Victor Connell was able to get 17 recruits in 7 weeks. So if you guys have any questions, you can comment them down below. And if you are an insurance agent, we currently only work in Canada. So if you are in the insurance business, you are located in Canada, and you want to either scale your business, things are going well, you want more prospects, we can help you out. Or if maybe your warm market is getting exhausted and you want to figure out a way to sort of replace that, SkySkilling can potentially be a good fit for that as well. So again, if you want to see if you qualify to actually work with us, book a call with our team, skyskilling.com/contact. And on the meeting, we'll see if you're actually a fit. And if you are, we'll explain everything about how it works and what it actually entails to work with us. So skyskilling.com/contact, book a meeting. Let's chat and let's see if we are a match. Thank you. It's been Gabriel. It's been an absolute pleasure, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.